You just found the 2021 Nissan Altima. Get all the features you want and need in this multi-talented Altima. Spacious comfort, active safety tech and connectivity, flexible layout, athletic performance, and available all-wheel drive set the stage for a confident and highly enjoyable driving experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, keyless start, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, remote engine start, aluminum wheels, blind spot monitor, heated front seat. Sacrifice nothing. This Altima has it all. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.